So y'all know Justin, he pulled up. So I'm fishing over here at the bank. Already got two, dang it. Perfect. Every cast, dang dude. Oh, that might be a bass. No?
They move in when it gets quiet here.
You're right, yeah. So there we go, you guys. That's a black, or not black crappie, that is a male spawning crappie. I guess this rain, it sure did trigger them. The crappie I was catching over there earlier that were all blackened up, they were the same as this, way over here. So where I'm casting, if you can see this pipe, that's where this ledge is in the lake. I'm letting it hit bottom and just doing a couple little jerks. And I'm getting them every time, look at that.
You got your good stringer?
Yeah. You want some? Yeah, about right there.
Right there.
That's crazy.
I told you, bro.
Bro, that's a good one.
Dude, that's what, like I said, I got a 15, a 16.
Look at that crappie. Heck yeah.
That's what's great about these guys. Game fishing. Oh, Jesus. You're always testing out there, and I'm always testing right here.
Yep.
And this one right there.
Right next to mine.
Yo. Let's see if we can double some. Double up on some crappie, guys. You doing a faster retrieve?
Yeah.
One. Nice crappie.
Good one. Oh, good male, yeah.
That's a good crappie right there, guys.
Got bottom lip hooked. Dang it. Ooh, I hate unhooking them like that. Another one. Nice. Every Ooh, right in the leg.
We're gonna get in the water here in a minute though, so I'm just gonna let you know. I told her. We aren't, she is.
Welcome back to bank crappie fishing, guys. I say we double throw right where you just missed it.
Alright.
Just pitch
Oh,
it.
look at that.
You're gonna take,
Braid.
before you go down onto the, you're
Huh.
gonna pull this way.
The
like
wire?
this, and bring, oops, this way.
Oh, no, that's Cajun.
Here,
Yeah.
make sure it doesn't touch,
It's Cajun.
and you're gonna do
That's
it.
that old school
Put it in there. Yep,
pitch
you got
it.
it.
It's right
Yep.
up there. 1, 2.
Oh.
A little bit further. Double pitch. Let's see if we can double up.
Now the one that she
There it
showed,
is.
she was sitting in the
Nice.
like, do you want to do that one?
Oh, I seen that line jump.
That's what I want.
So you don't have to go any further at all. So you just have to sit. I know. Yep. Oh, it's cold. Yep, and then pop your dress out. Yep. You're gonna go first, and then here. And then you can hold on your elbow.
Oh, I just took a big breath over that trash can. Oh man, stepped on it.
Nice. Dude, that's a better one. Seems like it.
You see how that line just dropped?
You just dove down, yeah.
Get over here. Don't get in that stuff. Yeah, that's a female. Nice.
Told you, bro. All night. Did you see?
They know.
You got my brother!
Feel bad for the kayak guy now. He could have got more.
Hey man, I feel bad for most of you kayak guys most days.